Welcome to Symphony Hero, a game focused on improving your precision and timing. The goal of Symphony Hero is to move quickly enough to keep up with the music notes that the orchestra is playing. Press the next button when you are ready for the next instruction. You control the up and down position of the conductor's wand. When you bend up, the wand will move up. When you flex down, the wand will move down. Press Next. As notes move across the screen towards the wand, you'll need to move the wand to the correct height to hit the notes with the tip of the wand. Press Next. If you miss a note, you'll hear a sour note from the orchestra, and they'll take a second to get back in rhythm. Press Next. The more notes that you hit, the higher your score will be. Do your best to hit every note.